Hi everyone, in today's tutorial we are going to create a super cool shoe ad manipulation in Photoshop. We will add neon glows, smoky effects, electric sparks and an awesome urban vibe to make the sneaker pop like never before. It's easy to follow and by the end you will have a professional looking shoe ad design. To get the best results, be sure to use high resolution images. Here are the images I am using for this manipulation. I'll drop the download link in the description below. Now let's jump right in and get started. First, import your urban neon background. Rename this layer to BG. Right click and convert it to a smart object. Now go to the filter menu, blur, Gaussian blur and apply a soft blur. This will give depth to the background and keep the focus on the sneaker. Next, import the sneaker image. Use the pen tool to carefully cut out the sneaker from its background. Once done, press Ctrl plus Enter to make it a selection and add a layer mask. Use Ctrl plus T to resize the sneaker if needed. Position it centrally a little above the center. Now we will add neon glow effect around sneaker. Duplicate the sneaker layer by pressing Ctrl J. Rename this layer to shoe glow. Double click on the layer to open layer style. Add outer glow with a blue color. Reduce the size value and click OK. Change the blend mode to linear dodge. Now duplicate this layer again. Double click on the outer glow effect. Choose a brighter blue color and reduce the size a little more. Now we have a nice neon glow effect. Group these layers by pressing Ctrl G and rename the group to shoe. Now we will add some smoke to the background. Import the smoke image. Change its blend mode to screen. Use Ctrl plus T to rotate and position it below the sneaker. Now import the second smoke image. Again, change its blend mode to screen. Duplicate this layer and hide below layer. Adjust the smoke layers for a nice smoky atmosphere. Use a layer mask to hide any unwanted areas. Also add some smokes behind the shoe for a cooler effect. Group all the smoke layers together and rename the group smoke. Import the red sport image. Change its blend mode to screen. Resize it with Ctrl plus T and position it above the red smoke area. Go to the filter menu, blur, Gaussian blur and apply a soft blur. Add a layer mask to remove any extra areas. Duplicate the red spot layer with Ctrl J. Move it slightly to the right and reduce the opacity. Now import the blue spot image. Change its blend mode to color dodge. Resize and place it near the red spot. Duplicate the blue spot twice with Ctrl J. Move this layer to the left to balance the glow effect. Select all these layers, group them with Ctrl G and rename it Glow Spots. Now we will add some electric sparks. Import the blue electric spark image. Change its blend mode to linear dodge. Use Ctrl+T to position and resize it. Add a layer mask to remove any unwanted parts. With the same technique, add more electric spark to bring energy into design. Group all the spark layers and rename the group properly. Import the golden sparkle image. Go to the adjustment layer, use saturation, clipping mask, enable colorize and shift the color towards red. Lower the lightness value to make it darker. Select both the sparkle and adjustment layer, right click and merge layers. Rename it sparkle, change its blend mode to screen. Now place the sparkles around the smoke areas and use layer mask to hide any extra parts. Group all the sparkle layers together and rename it sparkle. Now we will add some light effects. So create a new layer, use a soft brush, reduce flow value around 50% and pick color and paint softly. Change the blend mode to linear dodge. Convert this layer to a smart object. Apply a Gaussian blur for a soft light effect. Now create another new layer. Paint some blue and red lights on it. Again, change the blend mode to linear dodge, convert it to a smart object and apply Gaussian blur. Group these layers and rename light effect. So it's time to add text. Select the type tool and type your text using a bold font. Set the font color to a neon hue like blue. Now add some layer styles. Double click the text layer. Enable outer glow, inner glow, drop shadow and stroke. Adjust the settings a little bit to get that perfect neon text look. Create a new layer, rename it final image. Press Alt plus Ctrl plus Shift plus E to merge all layers into a new one. Convert it into a smart object. Now go to the filter, camera raw filter. Adjust colors, contrast and sharpness to enhance the final look. And that's it. Just like that, we have created a high energy shoe ad packed with neon vibes and electric styles, all inside Photoshop. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and creative Photoshop tricks.